Miss SA saga that have been trending. I saw Pep to the saying, she's ours. You must leave her. You massa. What do you think about the whole saga of
mind their
Miss
business and like you?
She
want to fuck herself in people's matters. Like she must mind her own business. Like she don't give a F, you know. Like her part, she was killing it, and then along with her father, it was the Temloy. Like yo.
Yeah,
anyway, I get to go to kiss to or kisses to Marayo.
The guy, the old man.
You can feel his presence, like even if he's afraid also to lose the fence.
And the bookings as well, because remember they said it's booked until next year, or something.
And again, you have to provide.
And if you don't perform, you have to return that money.
Yes, you have to.
Those
refund
deposits and stuff.
Stay tuned for another special episode of Easy on It with Sithole, co-hosting
Hi guys, welcome to Easy on It with Sithole. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time we drop anything, you'll be notified. Today is episode 23. So if you are new guys, please make sure you subscribe and become part of the family. I'm not alone guys, I'm with
Tulisila aka Tulidi.
Away. So guys, today we'll be covering some few topics that have been trending last week and last of last week. So bear with us guys if we are doing this late. Yeah man. So the first one guys, we lost an icon, SA icon, a mother, a grandma. So man, we lost Sis Connie, may her soul rest in peace man. Which shows do you know Sis Connie playing it?
The one that is remarkable that I remember it is Zone 14. Was in a
Zone 14.
She was playing Stella Stars. She was killing it like that woman, she was a bomb. When it's come to guest starring, you can't compete with them.
I think it's because of those, those Kazimamis. Like they know, and then they call it shows. But but Ibom shows are those Kasimamis who knows the game and everything.
Yeah, she's like a policewoman. Like she don't give a F, you know. Like her part, she was killing it, and then along with her father, it was the Temloy. Like yo.
Yeah,
anyway, I get to go to kiss to or kisses to Marayo.
The guy, the old man.
You can feel his presence, like even if like he was not there physically. By watching them on TV, like it was lit, like they were killing that show. And then the latest one, not the latest, but the one that I remember, she was acting on Gomorrah. There she was hijacking cars, and then she was owning a tavern. She had 2 daughters in Tati, and that's Dudla one like me. That's Dudla one like me. Pinky, something like that. Then she was good. Like she was good on what she was doing, and she trained Mazet.
Yes, I still remember Mazet.
Yeah, then
on Gomorrah, right?
On Gomorrah,
like
they were killing it. Like what is the name if they are giving you the same part? What is the name of, like, if maybe I'm acting now, like
as gangsters?
Like then, if I'm a gangster, or I'm a pastor, or I'm a waiter in a restaurant. What is typecasting?
Typecast,
they were typecasting her because she was killing that.
Okay,
I don't know what's the name,
but like
if they are giving you the same character but in the different shows.
I hear you.
But if you know the name, that name, because she was killing it.
Please
but I
comment.
wanted even to see her other side, but unfortunately,
Those roles, because she was so good at it. It's like who's this guy? Israel Matseke or something.
yeah.
Yeah, they always giving him those violent type vibe. They don't give. We never seen the other side of him being
Even
like
Sibusiso, Menzingubani.
Oh yeah, yes.
Ubambo lwami, he was killing it.
He was a gangster even that side, taking money from those.
Generation,
yeah. Still remember.
Guy, that look like it's going down.
Nah,
yeah. Even Black Panther.
Yeah, she was there on Black Panther too.
But there, I don't remember what she was doing. But
she was playing a role of royalty.
Okay, but she was dressing nicely. Dressed, but
she was playing a royalty. I mean, a character of royalty at Wakanda. I think she was a mother of what? Mother of something.
Yeah,
something there. Go and watch it. Yeah, go and watch.
We're gonna watch it again.
Yeah, Black Panther 2, and so you can really find out like, yo, what was she doing there? But I think she's a mother of a king or something.
Yeah, and she was doing I don't know, it's challenges or what, but on TikTok she was diving. She was dancing challenges. Like she was
very flexible,
like
for 70 something
72-year-old.
She was very because a lot of people die young, man. A lot of people,
many celebrities, they don't reach 40 years, like 40-year-old, 27, 25, 36, whatever. Do you think like Tina, like us, we're gonna reach 70?
No, I don't think so, because lifestyle of today wobbly now and then. Like I don't think we're gonna live that long, guys. Like we are moving junk food. Like it's not like we are eating something which your spinach, your cabbage. And I even heard Saul saying like, yo, me on my fridge, I do have your spinach, I do prepare cabbage. It's not like maybe I don't have anything. I do have, but like I like eating healthy food.
Yeah, me always maybe when I prepare a vault, like I make cabbage or spinach,
just something.
I don't just eat meat like now and then. Like even potatoes, like sometimes we can eat it so that we can be healthy.
No, I hear you, man.
Then we can live long.
So yeah, man, we have lost like an icon, guys. May his soul continue to rest in peace. And
may his soul rest in peace.
Yeah, man. And let's hope people who are close to here, they've learned a lot when it comes to acting.
And as a human being,
acting. She's been acting.
Even those ones that I don't remember the names, those ones they were playing on SABC2 back then when she was maybe what can I say, teenager or what?
Yeah. She was still like a sister, like not on like your mom's stages and everything. Yeah. When she was young, she was still only youth.
But she was killing it even then, back then.
I still remember, man. Yeah, man. So may her soul continue to rest, man. May she rest well, man. Then is this story of Mihladi,
Damase, and Leroy.
What do you think about that story?
That story is not make sure.
Is it?
It's not make sure.
What do you think? Like, what really happened?
Like
on your as a lady.
I think Leroy is forever cheating. I think that.
Yeah.
And Mihlali is tired of that, and she don't know how to confront it anymore. Because according to the story that Leroy wrote on Instagram, but I saw it on Facebook because I'm active on Facebook.
Yeah.
He wrote that she called him. He made a screenshot. She called him 78 times. Like
78, guys. Imagine 78
in a day.
Now, but like, okay, just okay. Before you continue with that story, you said something very interesting. Okay, you said Leroy is forever cheating, right? So Mikhali, she don't know how to confront him, right?
Yes.
I don't think that's the case. Why do you call somebody 78 times if you don't know how to confront that person?
No, like what I'm saying is she doesn't know anymore how to confront the situation. Like she tried all, like, I'm a girl also.
Yeah.
Like she tried many things. I don't know, but I'm just speculating.
I hear you.
Maybe it's just a way of showing that maybe she care or she found out. I don't know. But 78 times is psychotic. Like,
that's crazy, man.
It's crazy a
that's
day.
Crazy. And I saw somewhere there saying on the post that you're saying, Leroy posted that like he had to tell his son to go and open for her,
but he was asleep.
But
Yo, Leroy is not make sure Shem. Allegedly, we are not even sure, but there's the story. He was sleeping. I don't know if he put his phone on silent or he was ignoring her.
He was just ignoring her. You can't phone somebody 7-8 times, even if it's on silent. Come on, you don't just change a side for sleeping or something. You don't just move and check your phone. And nowadays, mind you, each and every one now, they're always on their phones.
Yeah.
So you can't tell me that you didn't see those missed calls for like 78 times.
And that story of her taking the knife.
And you know what? He knew that like there's like something. I think she was angry like that. Just that we didn't see where they wrote like she was banging the door or something.
Yeah.
Because you can't just phone somebody 78 times and then when the door is open, you rush and grab a knife and try to stab this person.
Maybe because maybe that's the reason he told his son to go and open the door.
Because he knew that
she was being dramatic.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm saying.
The neighbors, maybe they were watching.
So now he
was avoiding that.
He wanted to exactly.
Because she was bringing the attention to him. Like people were looking at him or like wanting to know what's happening.
I'm thinking of that because like there's no way you can phone 78 times.
So this Leroy guy, he doesn't have a wife. He stays with his son. Like,
no,
what's happening?
I don't think Leroy have a wife because everyone who knows Mikhali, we know that she's with Leroy.
Okay.
So clearly, he doesn't have a wife.
Okay, I'll start following her. I want to see what's happening in her life.
And then now she posted her lip being busted, like she have beaten her upper lip or something.
Because he said she wanted to stab him.
Yeah.
Then he pushed her
against
the wall. So maybe she beaten her lip. Then it.
But like something that I don't get it. Like, why is she removing those pictures after she posted them?
Women's and emotions, like
I don't get it. If ever is
maybe she was regretting posting them. Like she was angry when she posted them. Like
and decided like that's
not the way to go. Like she didn't mean it. She regretted later. What
is it with this Leroy guy? Like, why is she fighting so hard to be with this guy?
Maybe she loved it. She loved him. She loved him, not she loved him.
On podcast and chill, do you know what the son said?
He said what?
He said like the son is crazy. He said maybe because he's too good in bed. Why is she fighting so much? I was like, what are you saying, Dad?
Maybe because people are saying she's after man. Maybe that's the reason. We don't know.
Of money, ne?
Money and the bed. These two things makes a woman happy. If you can't do that, the woman is not happy.
They're not gonna stay with you.
They're not gonna stay.
Damn, this is crazy, man.
So the thing that is not make sure her face, she have bruises. So I don't understand now, like the wall, she leaned against the wall, or is she?
No, but like, okay, according to me, and when I look at those pictures,
not lean. She is English.
She hit the wall.
She hit the wall, ne? Then how about these bruises? Like,
I mean, I think they were just fighting. Let's be honest, because Leroy said I was defending myself from her because she was holding a knife.
Because he said she has when she's angry, she's aggressive. Then she becomes physical, and sometimes she's under the influence
of something.
He didn't say,
which we don't know. Yes.
Yeah, he didn't say.
Yeah.
When Leroy is dramatic, that one. When at the end of the letter, he said, "Thanks everyone for support." Who's supporting him? Like that guy.
No, but like people. I mean, on the comments, people were saying Mikhalish is crazy because you can't phone somebody 78 times. If it means that person don't want to talk to you. So like people
maybe it's their culture. They call maybe Leroy. Sometimes they call 150 times.
but like right now, what is in record? It's Mikhalish.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, so that's why I think he was collecting evidence. He knew these things was coming. The saga was coming.
But thanks for support. These guys. You are angry. It's too much.
Leroy is too much, guys. It's too much. It's too much, guys. But why ladies like to push things? Is it because of love, or as you said, is because of like a bed and money? Why like do you come on, man. I know like we don't have so much men out there, the LGBTQ community is getting bigger and bigger as well. So I think men, we are I don't know, our numbers is decreasing, but like I think ladies like to cause some dramas. I even saw this lady, I don't know if she's dating this old man or they're chilling or they're in love or something. Women can do, and they can go extra mile for love.
Man talks.
It's because of man.
It's because of man. It's because of man. That's the answer.
That's crazy, man.
It's rare these days for women and men. It's the same. To go for love.
It's very, very rare.
It's rare.
It's just rare. Because now, you're okay. So you mean people get into the relationship just because they want to benefit?
They want the stable relationship that the man, like, if you don't have money, like,
they're out of there.
Yeah.
That's crazy, man. Then there's this Miss SA saga that have been trending. I saw Peltizer saying, she's ours. You must leave her. You massa. What do you think about the whole saga of
mind their business and like you?
She
want to fuck herself to post matters. Like she must mind her own business. Like
what do you mean? She's trying to show that women power.
No, sometimes you have to listen and be quiet. Like you don't have to involve yourself. Just listen to the verdict. Like just go silent. Sometimes you don't have to entertain these things because you're a public figure. Nah.
Okay, so for somebody who's watching who haven't seen the story, can you please share with us what happened?
They are saying her mom have a Mozambican roots, but she is a Zulu. I don't know. Mozambican roots is her ancestors, or I don't know.
Oh, is her? She's from Mozambique state.
Yeah, I don't know, but her father is a Nigerian. But she had the South African identity.
I hear you.
Like according to the law of South Africa, if your mother, if your mother and
if you're born in SA,
if you are born in SA, you are taking the surname of your father. She didn't take the surname of her father. I don't know, because her father is absent or what.
but he's not absent, because everything that triggers everything is because of the way.
What is her surname, Vel? It's her mom's surname or it's her dad's surname?
It's her dad's, because it's got like chew something.
So why in South Africa, like, what's happening?
It's SA laws, guys. If you're watching this and you are not from South Africa, if your mother is a foreign and your father is foreign and you're born in South Africa, you are South African.
So they're taking the passport, combine it to the Home Affairs.
I don't know how
I
don't know how
this thing is not make sure. So they must act that, like, Home Affairs.
Yeah.
Please reach out to people and explain in details, so that we can understand what's happening. Because right now we are not make sure.
That's what this things now is.
Maybe even if the chairperson or whatever in where Home Affairs is a foreigner. We don't know, because these things are
no, but like I think it's an SA law. It's not even about Home Affairs. SA law says if you are born in South Africa,
it's in the constitution.
I'm not quite sure about that. I don't want to lie. But
so
like,
what is South African law written? Is it written on constitution or is it written where? South African law.
There's a constitution of South Africa, which is.
That's why I'm asking. It is in the constitution now.
No, it is not there. But it's somewhere there. I don't know, guys. Like,
even you are not make sure.
Guys, I'm saying I don't know, but like they says if you're born in South Africa, you are South African. If you are born in South Africa, you are South African.
Thanks to Gayton Mackenzie, like, hi.
Yeah.
These things are complicated.
For finding out about this lady.
Yeah, for finding out.
So do you think it's a good thing for her being dragged like this? I think she was on semi-finals or something.
Yeah.
Yes. Do you think it's a good thing for her to be dragged out, or they should leave her because SA said if you're born in South Africa, you're South African?
When you find out, you stay or you leave.
When you find out?
When you find out anything that you find out, you solve it.
Yeah.
Or you push it away.
No, but like I don't understand your question when you're saying when you find out, but because these things, the law of SA said when you're born in SA.
Okay, let me reframe my statement.
Yeah.
Okay. It's like the community or the South Africans are pressurizing the government.
Yeah.
So they have no choice.
But to remove her.
Yeah, because we are complaining, we are government.
But you see, this is what I don't get it, guys. SA as like, South African, right? They are busy making the hoo-ha of her so she can be removed as Miss SA.
Yes.
But she's South African, which is she qualified to be Miss SA. I don't get it.
There are shenanigans there. That's why she's been removed.
Of parents, not from
of parents. Yes.
But like, guys, this was I don't get it. I really don't get it. So another thing that I don't understand about the whole saga of Miss SA. So now, when she goes to Nigeria or when she goes to Mozambique, she's a foreign on her dad's land.
That's the fault of her parents.
No, but like
they will find out there. She have the South African ID.
Yes.
Sorry, which means she's a foreign.
When she goes to her home country.
Yes, she must apply for a visa then, and those documents for passports, and then she go there. She will be a foreign.
But like I think
her parents did their debt.
But like,
it's not us.
But like I think
you
it's
can't
not fair.
blame us.
But like I think it's not fair, guys.
Life is not fair at all. So.
Well, okay, that's fair. That's fair. I hear you. But this Mrs. thing, just imagine you start everything, and I've seen people starting schools.
Parents did their wrong.
And finishing schools without getting any metric just because their parents are not from here.
I don't know what in English. I don't know how to translate it in English. You will bear the burden of your parents, something like that.
The sins,
the wrongs, the wrongs that your parents have done will be unto you.
So it's exactly what's happening to Miss S.A. Exactly what she just said. Because she's done nothing.
She's done nothing.
And this is crazy, man.
All she did was to enter the competition and then she qualified.
And now she's on semi-finals. Now she's winning. She's about to be Miss. Now she's been pulled out. Just imagine. Their hard work and training.
It's traumatic,
man, time invested. This is crazy, man. Telling people, mobilizing people to vote for her. Because there's a lot of admin behind everything.
She must go to therapy.
This is crazy, guys.
It's traumatic. Aging, it's traumatic.
And they were celebrating. When this story broke and everything, those people were busy celebrating.
Social media, social media.
Social media, there's like a good side of it and a bad side of it.
Yeah, always advantage and disadvantages.
This is bad, guys.
The minute they see that head, this one, the head of Nigerians.
Yeah, a Nigerian one.
They started to Google, shame. They are Googling.
They were there like, yo, where is this, Mrs. Z? Why are these people wearing this thing?
I saw the Chris Excel one. Yeah, Chris Excel, that one.
What does he say?
You're saying DJ's Boo, Pel2C, LKG, they must go to Nigeria. They don't even need the Mufa. They will drink Red Bull like alleged. Yo,
Chris Excel is crazy, guys.
But now Chris Excel is like is mobilizing people to stop drinking Mufa. That's one is not good. That's one is not good. Yeah, that's bad.
We don't support that thing.
We don't support that thing.
Let's support our local. Let's consume our own. Let's wear our own, guys.
Next time. This DJ's Boo LKG, they must mind their own business.
They must just keep quiet.
They just keep quiet. Like,
and let's.
They keep their opinion like
to themselves.
They must not tweet.
But like sometimes
as a public figure, it's like there's a pressure, nyana.
Yeah, there is.
That you must talk.
Yeah.
No matter they must.
You must move a certain way. Because people are watching.
I don't blame them,
They were trying to show some support, and then big up to them for showing that support.
For showing the love.
Yeah, that's true, man. Then there's like a sheet. People are saying, I want to know your opinion on these things, or your chat on these things. People are saying Shebishit now is back on the road, is back on performing and everything, right? After he just lost a daughter from the car crash and stuff. What's your thoughts around that? Because people are saying that like it's too soon for him to be on stage and stuff. Some people are even saying, yeah, it's a sacrifice. Why is he back on the road? What's your thoughts on that?
People are always talking, and they will forever talk. Maybe like maybe it's the way. It's a way for him, like to show grieving, because we don't know if he's alone, what's happening to him.
Yeah, that's true.
Maybe he's going crazy. Like maybe it's the way of him mourning for a daughter. We don't know. We mourn differently.
That's true.
Because some of us, like some of people, not some of us, when they're mourning, they drink alcohol. some people, they stay indoors, they don't want to see people, like it's becoming like they're depressed.
Depression.
Yeah, depression.
We deal with this thing differently, as you said.
Yeah, we deal
but
with
like
it differently.
how long should like a person who is grieving must stays indoors, or should stay away from, like, if let's say I'm an artist, right, like Sheves, how long should I be away from performing and stuff? Is there like a certain period of time?
Nah, like us as a black people, us as a black people, 3 months if you are a man, 3 months or 6 months if you're a woman, a year. You have to stay away.
So do you think people are saying whatever they're saying because
it's our culture? It's like, culture.
So it means it didn't finish 6 months or 3 months, eh?
Yeah, it didn't finish 3 months. And then, like, sometimes fans, they need him to perform.
Yeah.
They are pressurizing him on the other side.
And the bookings, and
he's afraid also to lose the fans.
And the bookings as well, because remember they said it's booked until next year.
Yeah.
Or something.
And again, you have to provide.
And if you don't perform, you have to return that money.
Yes, you have to
refund deposits and stuff.
Yes.
This thing is crazy, man.
Yeah, there's a lot of
this superstar level.
It's too much.
It's too much.
It's too much. Like, people are quickly to judge.
Yeah, that's true. And we don't even know what.
We don't know what he's going through.
Yeah.
We don't know about his plans. We just see him on the TV, then entertaining us. But me, I don't blame him. You have to provide. He is booked. Life has to go on, like, with or without.
But like we must mourn, guys.
Yeah, but he mourn 2 weeks or 3 weeks.
Come on.
He mourn like
2 weeks or 3 weeks.
That guy, like, you can see he's crazy. That yeah, don't come for me, Chavashita, but that guy is not
But like, I think the pressure, you see, the pressure, I think is because he's booked until next year.
Yeah,
so
and
now
he have to perform.
Yes, there's like the deposits that.
And he loved his daughter, Shem.
Yeah, he loved his daughter.
He loved his daughter. Like, maybe it's the way of showing her. I don't know, guys. Put in the comment section what you think about this Shavashita thing.
For him going back on the road, going back for performing for his fans and stuff. So
the problem, we like
we like interfering
to get our noses, like
on others' business,
on other people's business.
Yeah,
it is what it is. Maybe it's the way of life.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's the way of life.
It is. They say if people start talking about you, it means you have made it in life.
Yeah.
If people are saying nothing, they haven't seen anything, Shem.
Yeah,
they haven't seen anything. If people start saying, that stupid podcast, whatever, we know that, like, we're doing the right thing because there's some impact.
Moving.
Yeah, it means there's like impact on people. What else do you need to cover here? Pastor Mporo.
Mporo guy or Mporo pastor?
Mporo Peter. Mporo is.
This name is from South Africa.
Yeah. What is his name? Mutswaning. Mutswaning. What? Yeah.
And then Mporo is a stage name.
I don't know. Maybe it's.
Church stage name. I don't know.
Mporo Peter.
Maybe Mporo Feta.
Maybe it's stage from Mporo Feta.
Yeah, Kim Porofita.
Yeah. So man. So Mporo went to school and took his, I don't know if his grandchildren or his kids at school. They're swinging pangas there.
Like, why?
I was like, yo, man, what kind of a pastor is this?
I know he's a person, but like that image that he painted when he was holding pangas to the school, like I don't know if those ones are his kids or
his grandkids. I think it's his grandkids or something. So now kids are traumatized.
There was a need that he must like.
The first one, that guy loved trending. The first one, it was Bushiris, when people are saying Bushir must leave. The Hawks were after Bushiri and Alpha Lukao. Do you still remember that song?
Yeah, I remember. They started with Alpha Lukao.
That guy mobilized people. They went to CG something church of Bushiri and stuff.
ECG something.
Yeah, ECG church or something. Stand there saying that they must go. Allegedly, what is this guy's Malawian pastor? Bushir gave Mporo 100,000, and then Mporo went zip and swallowed the keys. He didn't say anything anymore. So guys like Mporo, when it comes to trending, what was that like? Who goes to buy like those pangas and then go and take the kids? Because they already have like bodyguards that was there.
He was holding a gun.
I think it was AK-47 or something.
This one.
Now he's busy scaring people,
It's a real AK-47 or it's for
I don't know, man, but like
that one is not make sure.
That's why I'm saying Mporo, when it comes to trending, he loved trending by all means, guys. He loved trending.
Even that one of Alpha Cow, the man was there, then was risen.
Hey,
these pastors.
What is this guy, Elliot?
Like you can die and be risen and eat on your funeral.
And then
South Africa.
Wake up and eat 7 colors and everything. But like I don't know, man. When it comes to these pastors,
Kati, what's happening in Mushar when you die? Like they don't remove the brain, like or it's a speculation.
Nah, they do, but like that one was stage obvious. It was not like they didn't go to mortuary.
Like you have the brain, like to take the spoon and then put in.
No, but like it was staged. As I'm saying, it was staged. It's not like he went to the mortuary. None of such a thing happened.
Yeah, they can stage it.
I don't know, man. And hey, what is going? Ladies, you guys love these pastors, guys. I saw some pastor bathing people in churches. Some other people were even waving your underwears there. Hallelujah, holding the bikinis and whatnot, guys. What is going to ladies? With these pastors that just gonna come and have like a tent here. People are eating grass. People are, come on.
Are doing things, abnormal things you won't do.
Why ladies like, falling for this crap?
I don't know. Maybe because we love church. I don't know. We love God. I don't know.
Nah, man. This is crazy.
The problem is that we can't identify the false prophet and the true prophet.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
I think that's the case.
Maybe we're not praying enough to be connected with the Holy Ghost, and
so you can tell that
so we can tell this one is so we can tell. So it's hectic. South Africa is like a playground, like.
And I saw a pastor dancing on top of the roof inside the church. I was like, what is this? Like he was behaving like a monkey or something. Like holding a mic on top of the roof inside the church. Busy swinging there. I was like, what is going on, guys?
I know like Pastor Mporo is he's a man of God, like he's a person, he has the feelings, like, but what's the use of holding pangas
and
the guns?
He was even telling some lady that you can body say hole kurapele chufole. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I hear that.
Yeah,
It's a shame.
I was like,
It's a shame.
what's
Like,
going on here?
it's like it's not fun. Like yo. Like he's tarnishing all the names of God. Like,
Yeah, that name of pastor.
It's
Now
tarnishing
it doesn't hold any value on him.
Yeah, it
Now it's like
it doesn't have weight anymore.
Yeah, that's true. When you say pastor, I was like, yo, the emperors of this world.
But I saw like Magogo was crying when the church was burning. Say, Mporo.
Nah, man, I think
pastor, like maybe he used to help her with electricity
or something.
Yeah, and she was saying electricity there. She was owing electricity, then he paid for her.
Oh, he came through for her.
Like Mporo, like really Mporo, he helped people. Like he's a person, he has feelings, but the way he acted, it really scared us.
But like again, that guy, he loves attention.
Like when we are angry, guys, let's try by all means to control our emotions or our anger. Yeah.
You mustn't do some foolish stuff like what Mporo did. Now you're swinging pangas there. Now you're trending. Because each and everything now is a trend.
Yeah.
It's a trend. Whatever you're going to do is going to trend, guys. I don't know, man. Do you wish to cover some other stuff again? Because on these things of Olympics and everything, they were busy because you know, just to remember the saga of Castus Minion and stuff for a testosterone thing. Yo, now they came back now on this Olympic thingy. There's a lady that they were busy, I don't know if they did disqualify her or not, saying that she's a man, only to find out that she just have like a higher testosterone than the others, meaning she have like most stamina than other ladies and stuff. So like, I don't know, man, with this gender thing, do you think somebody can just go and do the transgender just to win the Olympics and stuff?
I don't think so.
There's no such a thing,
you
guys.
You can't cheat the system.
Exactly.
You can't cheat the
system.
So
guys, please, man, like this Olympic thing, I don't know what's wrong with it. But they don't take women serious.
Yeah, they don't.
They don't take women serious. You're gonna go to gender,
like,
whatever.
It's not their fault.
You're born in that way.
You're born like that, like.
Unlike a transgender woman.
Yeah.
Because you went through the procedure. You were born in that way. Imagine.
There's nothing you can change. You can do.
Guys, the Olympic people, you must do better. Stop abusing these poor people, man. It's Women's Month. That's what we're talking about. Saying, let's protect our queens, guys. If you're born in that way, you're born in that way.
Okay, that's it for today.
So don't forget, guys, subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time when we drop anything, you'll be notified.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time we drop a video, you'll be notified.